I am totally in love with this delicious nutty rice salad. A substantial meal on its own, or the perfect accompaniment to baked meat or fish. Cook the brown rice according to the packet instructions using the boiling method. Make sure the water is heavily salted. Once cooked, drain it into a colander and set it aside. Now we're going to fry off the red onion in some butter, and in my view, this is what elevates this rice salad over any other. Top and tail, peel, and finely dice the red onion. Fry off the red onion and butter on a low heat. Make sure it doesn't brown or worse, burn. Sometimes I lay a piece of baking paper over the onions to help it sweat off slowly. Tip the lentils into a small colander and under the tap, rinse them until the water runs clear. Now on to prepping the fresh herbs. Finely chop the parsley. I use the stems for this recipe. They're full of flavour and really crunchy. Then on to the coriander. I remove the root, but again, the same as the parsley, I use the stems of the coriander as they're full of flavour and deliciously crunchy. Add the completely cooled rice, then the lentils, then the onion, and give it a good mix. Throw in your toasted nuts and seeds, currants, cranberries, and capers. Now let's throw together the dressing. In a jar, add the lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper, and mustard. Give it a shake and pour it over the rice salad. There you have it, a colourful, flavour-packed rice salad. Enjoy!